Hi students, I am discussing about the classification of adrenergic receptors and location of the adrenergic receptors and the actions of the adrenergic receptors. The first one, classification of adrenergic receptors. Mainly adrenergic receptors are classified into two types, alpha receptors and beta receptors. The alpha receptor divided to the alpha 1, alpha 2. Beta receptor divided to the beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. The adrenergic receptors mainly acting on the G protein coupled receptors of G alpha subunit. Beta receptors mainly acting on the G alpha S subunit. Alpha 2 receptors mainly acting on the G alpha I subunit. Alpha receptors mainly acting on G alpha Q subunit. G alpha S subunit, activation of adenyl cyclase, increase to the CAMP, cyclic adenosyl monophosphate. This is acts as a second messenger. G alpha I, inhibition of adenyl cyclase, decrease to the cyclic AMP. G alpha Q subunit, activation of phospholipase C, activation of IP3 DAG, diacylglycerol inositol triphosphate. IP3 increase to the calcium ions into the intracellular stores. The main effect is contraction effect occurs. This is the classification of adrenergic receptors. Location of the adrenergic receptors. The first one, alpha 1 receptor present in the post synaptically. They present in the mainly smooth muscles. Vasoconstriction effect of the blood vessels. Vasoconstriction effect of blood vessels. They increase to the hypertension. They present in the eyes. Dilation effect of the eyes, that is mydriasis effect. They present in the kidneys. Decrease to the renin release. The glycogenolysis effect. Glycogen convert to the glucose. The alpha 2 receptors mainly present in the presynaptically. Mainly inhibition of noradrenaline release. They present in the beta cells of pancreas. Decrease to the insulin release. Beta 1 receptors mainly present to the heart and kidneys. Increase to the heart rate, increase to the conductivity of the heart. Present in the kidneys, increase to the renin release. Renin is responsible for the hypertension. Renin mainly angiotensin 1 convert to the angiotensin 2. Beta 2 receptors mainly present to the lungs. Dilation effect of lungs. Mainly treatment of asthma. They present in the pancreas. Increase to the insulin release. Present in the GI tract, decrease to the GI motility. Beta 3 receptors mainly present in the adipose tissue. adipose tissue, lipolysis effect. The another one present in the beta 2 receptors, uterine bladder, relaxation of bladder, retention of urine. Simple alpha receptors action is constriction and contraction. Beta receptors action relaxation, dilation. Effect. This is a receptor's location and pharmacological actions.